As we see here, Mayora Jennifer Ina Alegre Cruz with the ceremonial toss. Our second time in history dito sa Pola Gymnasium. We were here last season, but we're certainly thrilled to be back dito sa Pola sa Oriental Mindoro. And you know, for Parañaque, despite the loss, they still have that same starting unit that they had against the Davao Occidental Tigers. It's it going to the side of the home team. To Ed Dakiwag against Joseph Sedorifa. Cannon, great cut by JP Calvo. No foul call. Cruz, pinilit. Capobres was there to clean it up.
He's going to be a very important piece this
Lander Cannon. Binigay kay Ed Dakiwag. This time draws closer. The one-hander works.
And that's a good sign for Coach Mike Sagigit.
Them anymore.
JR Oligario.
Yeah.
Talaga nagkalat-kalat na sila.
Ethan Galang. That's something that Mindoro needs more of. Tatakbo dito ang Tamaraws. Ramirez goes up, gets it in. Down the lane, rebound by Bradley Bienes. Ino Comboy steps in to a free. Yes, sir.
Pure scorer. And that's why Comboy has that basketball from the backcourt. Doon pa lang, bago pa siya tumawid ng half line, kailangan may tao na sa harap niya.
The pirouette coming from Alvin Capobres ties the ball game up at 9 apiece. Malinda, 6 seconds sa kanya shot clock. Bam Bam, short stab, good. Mindoro Tamaraws with the 2-point lead, 11-9. Cuevas challenging the defense of Perez and scores.
Wow, that was a hard finish.
Coach Rodney, this is, you have to remember, this is his first stint with the Mindoro Tamaraws. So even though this is their home court, as we see Wendell Comboy make that free.
Beat.
Kyle Perez. Oh, the back door. Wendell Comboy slithers in and scores.
Ngayon nakikita mo, there's more.
And then on the earlier trip, got a block. Played sparingly for Diliman College under Coach Renzi Bahar. And here, off the left action, Bam Bam Gamalinda sinks in a free. Ang Parañaque with 3.5 minutes gone by in the second period. Calvo. Pinuntahan si Dakiwag. Tresian.
But prior to that, Dakiwag
Crossing the timeline. Pivots through. The cut by Gamalinda. Scores plus a foul. Dito Mindoro. Ramirez. Forward pass to Andrews. Gamalinda. He's feeling it. All net on that mid-range jumper. Has 10 points. Ed Dakiwag, Carl Brian Cruz. Capobres, lalapit, ubuhol, pasok yan.
That's his money spot. That perimeter area, stepped into it. He was wide open. Definitely a good shot for him.
The cut by Andrews. Great off-ball movement by Ashton Andrews. Jay Yutok against Cuevas. Comboy. Long shot, it's good!
Did not even have to warm up.
Cuevas goes down low to Cannon, peeks at the clock, it reads 6 seconds. Posting up Chadi Rangel, carving out space, off the window it goes.
Strong move by the big man.
Naibigay niya kay Deo Timango, laban kay RJ Ramirez. Power dribble, scoops it up, gets it in, plus a foul.
Miscue defensively there para
combined forces in giving them the lead. Comboy. Medyo off target yung pasa. Gamalinda steps back. Oh my goodness! Big free for Bam Bam Gamalinda. And Perez, MJ Perez. Shot clock winding down. Ethan Galang all net on that triple. Sa poste, Bam Bam Gamalinda, fadeaway jumper, his 15th point of the ball game.
Mindoro has turned to Gamalinda.
Calvo. Ilabas papunta kay Capobres, who drives, gets the basket and one.
Not really a lot of lift on that shot.
Got it. He asked for outside shooting. Meron din. Defense, nakaka-stop rin naman daw. But now he reminds them, huwag na kayong mag-relax at huwag nyo nang bigyan o buhayin pa ang Parañaque Patriots. Back to you guys.
And 3-point shooting, nakikita natin, tumatama lalo kay Bam Bam Gamalinda and Ino Comboy. And then the defense, holding Parañaque to only 31 points. As you saw, Ed Tahiwag nakaka-form lang nung team na ito, and it's really showing in their first 2 games. Meanwhile, JP Calvo earns his first 2 points the hard way. Kasi di puntos. Gamalinda posting up. Alvin Capobres.
Oh, nice heads-up play.
Yup, the cut, the finish from Ashen Andrews.
But give credit to...
They go to Lander Canol. Capobres, line drive, good.
If not for Alvin Capobres, Parañaque would pipituhan yung bantay niya doon.
Cruz gets it in, plus a foul over Ashen Andrews. Tie or take the lead. Papa tries to give them the lead, and he does! 3-pointer for Allen Papa. Bumawi ang Parañaque in the third. 25-14 was the score. Joseph Sedorifa, this guy is someone that needs to get going para dito sa Mindoro.
Sedorifa, at matindi na naman yan dumepensa.
Yeah, when he was with Makati in Season 3, as we see Alvin Capobres score another basket, tabla tayo 49-all when that Joseph Sedorifa and RJ Ramirez. Sa panig naman ng Parañaque, JP Calvo, James Mangahas, Carl Brian Cruz, who scores underneath with Alvin Capobres and Ed Tahiwag. Wala ni Carl Brian Cruz. Ramirez able to escape, banks it in to tie the ball game up at 51 apiece.
Was able to find a way around Cruz. If I'm CBC right now, I'm going to do something going inside, try to fish for that last foul, but I'll take that shot as well.
James Mangahas coming alive in the fourth with the absence of June Manzo. Sedorifa, catch and shoot. Bam Bam Gamalinda with his 18 points for 18.6 rebounds for Gamalinda. Oh, JP Calvo, the spin and the hoop.
Ziggs. I just don't like what's happening here with Mindoro as we take a look at this. The in and out, the crossover, and then the spin. Nawala doon si Brandre Bienes. JP Calvo running circles around Brandre Bienes on that play.
Ino fires. Bienes inside, cleans up the miss. Lead down to 1.
Comboy.
Galang pops out. 3-point shot off the rim. JP Calvo. Oh, the cut. Alvin Capobres soars and scores.
I know we've said that.
Gets it back from Ethan Galang. Skip pass, papunta kay Sedorifa. Jump shot, good!
This is what I'm saying.
Parañaque Patriot squad. 3 minutes remaining in the fourth quarter. Ethan Galang. Sedorifa. Left corner free. Book it!
Ang sakit na talaga ng mga ganong klaseng mintis. Wala ka nang bantay. Tapos mukhang nasa loob na. And, oh!
A 4-point swing. It looks like a successful homecoming for the Mindoro Tamaraws. And they had to fight for it, Javi. Ramirez, the dagger.
That's...
And Ino Comboy will just dribble out the clock. Oh boy, this has to feel good for Mindoro. Losing their last 4 games. Coming at home and getting this win. It's our best player of the game, brought to you by 1xBet, the title sponsor of the MPBL. Your choice, your victory. Feel more game with 1xBet.
He usually starts para dito kay Coach Rodi Santos, but tonight came off the bench along with Ino Comboy, and those two were the ones who started and ignited the comeback of Mindoro, ensuring this victory para sa Mindoro Tamaraws.
Final score po natin, 68-58 Mindoro.